Put apple cider vinegar on your face and see what happens to your age spots, acne and more. It has been scientifically shown that apple cider vinegar treats various skin issues, such as eczema. Its beneficial effects in the treatment of eczema are due to its potent properties, including apple cider vinegar contains numerous vitamins and minerals which strengthen immunity and control eczema, like potassium, pectin, iron, calcium, magnesium, sodium, sulphur, and phosphorus. Being rich in fiber, vinegar removes the toxins which cause eczema. Apple cider vinegar has beta-carotene, which helps the renewal of cells. It is high in potassium, which regulates the pH levels of the skin and treats allergies. Vinegar is high in lactic, acetic, and malic acids, which have potent antibacterial and anti-fungal properties which soothe the dry skin, skin infections, inflammation, and itchiness. Yet, note that it should not be applied directly on the skin. Therefore, dilute it in water in equal amounts, apply a bit on the hand to test whether the skin is sensitive to it, and if nothing happens, you can freely apply it on the face. Vinegar cleanses and rejuvenates it, treating numerous different skin conditions. Here are 5 reasons to use it and relieve skin problems and promote skin health. Vinegar balances the skin, eliminates excess oil, and regulates the pH levels. Hence, it regulates the production of sebum and prevents excessive dryness or oily skin and maintains a skin balance. It detoxifies the skin, leaving it clean and radiant. Apple cider vinegar treats acne, blemishes, pimples, just like the expensive acne creams. It stimulates the formation of malic acid, which has potent antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties, which fight bacteria and prevent acne and pimples. It fights wrinkles, so its regular use for washing the skin will reduce fine lines and wrinkles. You should soak a cotton pad in a solution of vinegar and water and apply it directly on the affected area. Afterward, just rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Vinegar reduces age spots if you wash the face with the solution daily. The alpha-hydroxy acids in its content remove dead skin cells and promote skin health. Just soak a cotton ball in it and put it on the age spots. Hold for 30 minutes for it to act and wash it off with water. You should do this treatment twice daily for 40 days. You should remember to always use apple cider vinegar diluted, as it has strong effects and may cause a burning sensation. Moreover, before you start any apple cider vinegar treatment, ensure you are not allergic to it by applying a bit on the skin and wait for a possible reaction. Here are the most effective ways to use it to treat eczema. 1. Oral use. The oral consumption will strengthen immunity and prevent the reoccurrence of eczema. Ingredients: a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a cup water. Directions: you should mix a teaspoon of vinegar and a cup of water and drink the solution 2 to 3 times daily. Make sure you do not try this treatment in the case of peptic ulcer, heartburn or diabetes, as apple cider vinegar is highly acidic. 2. External application of apple cider vinegar diluted in water. Due to its strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, its external use treats eczema as well. You will need 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar, a cup of water, 3 cotton balls. Directions: mix the water and the vinegar in a small bowl and soak a cotton ball in it. If you have sensitive skin, you should mix 1/2 cup of water with 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Then, place it on the affected area. In a small bowl, mix the apple cider vinegar and water, and using a cotton ball, apply it on eczema. Repeat until it is completely treated. 3. Bath. This bath provides excellent effects in the treatment of eczema. You will need 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, a moisturizer, a bathtub. Directions: you should pour the vinegar in the bath and soak in it for 15 minutes. For even better effects, you can add some coconut oil, which can enrich the scent and improve the skin quality. Afterward, just pat dry with a clean towel and apply the moisturizer. Repeat daily until you have entirely treated the issue. 4. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Directions: mix the baking soda and the vinegar and add their mixture to a cup of water. Stir well. You can add honey to improve the taste. Consume it daily to treat eczema. 5. Apple cider vinegar and honey. Honey effectively treats all kinds of skin conditions, relieves irritations, and soothes inflammation. Additionally, it has strong antibacterial effects which fight bacteria. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 glass of water. Directions: mix the apple cider vinegar with honey and add their combination to a glass of water. Stir and consume it 3 times during the day. Additional tips: make sure your skin is always hydrated, as the symptoms of eczema get worse in the case of dry skin. The condition may worsen due to the consumption of foods like eggs, fish, milk, soy, peanuts, and wheat. To avoid skin irritations and damage, avoid strong soaps and perfumes when treating the issue with apple cider vinegar. In the case of pregnancy, consult your doctor before starting any treatment with apple cider vinegar, as it may sometimes lead to complications.